Welcome back to my channel. So let's draft a sleeve, a cold shoulder sleeve, flare sleeve with elastic band. There will be elastic band at the hand. So for me to get the length I'm working with for my sleeve is, I'm working with length 8. Then because I want a full circle sleeve, I'll be dividing my armhole circumferences by 6.28. So 12, I'm using 12 divided by 6.28, which will give me 1.9. 1.9 plus the length of my sleeve, which will now give me 9.9. So the total length of my sleeve that I'm working with is 9.9. Hope it's clear. If it's not clear to you, please ask your question on the comment section for more clarification. So let us draft our sleeve. So we'll measure out our 9.9. Okay, this is my 9 point now. You fold it. This is my first fold. You fold it into 4. This is second fold. You measure again 9.9, just for us to manage our fabric. You fold it again. So this is 9 points. You arrange it very well so that it will not have big and small. So this is 9.9, and here, okay, is more than. You make sure you allow it to be, let it not be more than 9.9, so that you will not waste your fabric. Okay, so this is it. You will now mark out 1.9 here. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's as simple as, you understand, place your measurements. You can calculate your own. Then you measure your full length, which is 9 points. You can see, so that you get a full circle sleeve. Can you see it? If you have any question, you can ask on the comment section for more clarification. You can ask your question for more clarification. So you make sure so that you don't waste your fabric. You can see it. So the next thing is to cut it out. The next thing is to do what? Cut out my sleeve like so. So you just descend to the this for the first sleeve, because I want the sleeve to be full. I don't want a half circle sleeve. The same thing goes to you fold it by 9.9. Okay, place it like so. Make sure okay, place it like so. Okay, you cut it out. Okay, this is my sleeve for my gown. You cut out the 1.9 for the sleeve. Can you see it? How beautiful it is. You open one side of the sleeve. Can you see it? So can you see it? So the next thing I will do is to cut the lining. I'm going to use lining to turn it up. So this is my lining. I'll use it to cut out the lining for the sleeve. So you fold it the same way you folded the main fabric, and place your main fabric on. Instead of repeating the same procedures, you should just do what? Fold your 1.9 so that you will not have shortage. Okay, like so. You place your fabric and cut it out like so. So that is how I will equally do to the second one. So you put your lining, because I want it to be a full lining. You cut out your lining like so. Cut out your line for the two sleeves. Cut out the lining for these two sleeves. This is for the first one. This is for the second sleeve. Okay, so you open it, because you should have openings. Okay, trim everything out. I want to open it like so. This first sleeve. This is for second sleeve. Okay, as simple as that. If you have a question, please drop it down on the comment section. Okay, so this is lining for the two sleeves. I'll go to my machine and join it. I'll join it and sew it to the fabric, so that I will now show you the final look of the sleeve. This is for the first sleeve. Okay, you can see. This is for the second sleeve, like so. Okay, so let me go to my machine and join it and join it round. Sew it round. Finish it. Sew it round. Finish it. Then here is where I'll put my elastic. I'll sew here for elastic. Turn it and show it for elastic. I'll come out and show you how my beautiful sleeve will come out and how it is. You can see how beautiful the sleeve will come out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay, this is my sleeve. I have sewn it and I have put elastic band on it. You can see on the two sleeve. This is called shoulder flare sleeve. You can see it, how beautiful it is. So I'm going to fix it on my beautiful gown and show you how it looks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified.